Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for sharing your most precious asset with me. That is your time, baby! Woo! Sorry. I'm always hyped. I can't stop the energy. I can't stop the movement. Shout out to each and every one of you for coming on in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for jumping on in. Thank you for bringing the energy. And thank you for supporting the lifer. I'll support you 110%. I'll give you everything I have, baby. I love creations of God, and you are a beautiful creation of God. May God bless each and every one of you here on this live stream. I fly to Miami tomorrow morning. It's out of control. I got goosebumps in my... No, wait. I have anxiety in my stomach. But I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm just looking at Twitter right now and seeing Tom Crown just flew into Miami. Miami is the spot to be for the next 5 days. It's going to be out of control, baby. And I'm taking over Miami. I cannot wait. Shout out to each and every one of you. Doge trending. BitBoy trended all night. 127,000 tweets. I've never seen him twin that big in his life. And continuing to go on with this SPF saga. What is happening? We will continue. Also, I want to cover also some other drama. My man, Crypto Lifestyle, who I absolutely love, right? It's crazy when you have two people in the space that have both helped you. This dude has done so much for me, right? I started working with him, doing his channel, and he went in on BitBoy last night, like completely in, saying that he's a cloud chaser, right? So it's crazy. But I've had both mutual respect for both of these people. They both have an opinion. You know, my opinion on it is yeah, BitBoy made mistakes. He came out and said it, and he said he's not going to do whatever again. And I guess I get what you're saying. He's been legit the whole time. We've been legit the whole time. We didn't shill any garbage on anybody. We didn't have to come out and say sorry. I get it. You know what I mean? So he's got like this. He's been in crypto since the beginning, really, really supporting people and helping people. And he just wants to make sure it's represented right. Hopefully, maybe him and BitBoy can come to terms one time and figure it out. They're both OGs in the space. But this was just, breaking news. You want to check this video out. BitBoy insults your intelligence once again. Check out the Crypto Lifestyle. He's, he went in. He went in. So it's crazy. Anyway, I got this chart. I got some other charts to show you for Bitcoin. Let's break it down. Can you get the energy moving up on a Sunday morning? How y'all doing today? Thank you so much for being here. And this is the end of the travel setup. I will break this travel setup down. I will post it on Twitter. Who wants to see the breakdown of the setup? People seem to love me when I'm working on the time lapse, and I'll put a time lapse out of me breaking down the setup. Also, anyone out there in Miami, anyone out there going to Miami, any YouTuber out there in Miami, and that goes for Tom Crown, right? BitBoy, Sin City, Altcoin Daily, what's Altcoin Daily? They gotta just be Altcoin Daily, There they are. Yeah, so I just wanted to say anyone who's out there, right, and I could have waited to do this, but any YouTuber out there in Miami, Tom Crown, BitBoy, Sin City Crypto, Altcoin Daily, I will have a top-notch travel stream set up a few blocks away from the Decentral. If you need to stream or feel the need to collab, I'll be covering the event with a press pass. So, boom. Let's do this, baby. Let's do this. Shout out to everybody out there. All right, let's get into Bitcoin, what you came here for. Sorry to waste your time there with the tweet, but it's exciting, and I just wanted to show y'all that we got it going on. All right, let me get the screen up now as you guys watch me do a tweet. Shout out to everybody here on the live stream, but all I did was make a tweet here. Sorry I didn't have the stream up. But what I was telling everyone is I have an amazing setup. Not many people actually move with a stream setup. I know how to travel with a streaming setup, so I'll be traveling with the streaming setup, and I just sent out this tweet right now. Trying to pause that. I guess you can't pause a stream on Twitter. It is what it is, right? But yeah, so just wanted to let them know that if they wanted to stream, I'm ready to go. And you know, we could do a late night stream of everybody. We could do something interesting. I'm excited. I'm going to see what happens there, and I'm going to throw my hat in the ring. Sent $200 of flux to my main wallet to KuCoin. 1 hour later, still haven't showed up. Cool. Interesting. Well, at least you send a small amount first to make sure it works, right? So we're going to take a look at Bitcoin in this, what looks like a bull pennant. And now, you know, symmetrical triangle bull pennant, it's got vibes. I'll call it a symmetrical triangle for now, but it's got some, yeah, it's symmetrical when I widen it out. And it's all about this point of control. We're battling a point of control that we can't seem to get above. All right, 16,500 for like literally 36 hours now. The tighter we get, the more explosive this move is coming. So a move is coming for Bitcoin. 15-minute does want to push to the upside. We do have this shoulder, this head and this shoulder. Let me show you. We have an inverted head and shoulder at the tip of this pattern. And that will break us to the upside and get us to about 16,800 area. So that's something we're looking at, but it's not a huge move, right? If you take the measured move of the length of the back end here, swing it to that neckline, it just brings you back to my resistance area, about 16,800. Doesn't really cut the mustard. Doesn't really do what we want it to do, but it would begin the move. Bulls must break above 16,650 or expect more downside. To me, that is the line of control that we keep having the issues with, and the point of control right below it at 16,670. Yeah, 16,571, 559. So we're battling the point of control. 50 minutes says we're about to see a bit of a move to the upside. Let's see if we can get the move. 1 hour is spent at this point, right? Came back up to the overbought regions. Really didn't give us much love. So just showing us sideways behavior. So the 1 hour suggests down or sideways. The 4 hour also pushed up, but could roll over. And I've been showing the idea that this 22 hour is not in our favor and is very, very, somewhat bearish. So that's also, but another interesting thing is this could be a shoulder, this could be a head, and this could be a right shoulder. And now you have this giant inverted head and shoulder here that I've been talking about. I have another chart that nobody's looking at. Let's break it down. This is the chart that nobody sees. Let's break down. This is the chart right here that nobody sees, because I was looking at it last night, and then I said, wait. And so what I'm looking at here is a strong bullish divergence here on the 4 hour time frame, which is suggesting that that is our bottom. I mean, when you get bullish divergence that strong on an asset, it's likely to be a bit of a, I'm not saying the overall bottom, I'm just saying temporarily a bit of a bottom here. Now, it's not amazing divergence. I'll give you that. Let's break it down. If I go from candle close to candle close, though, it is a downtrend. This does wick, but doesn't get all the way into the wick. The candle do not close in that zone. So technically, a little bit of bullish divergence there, in my humble opinion. And this could spark a move back to the top of this channel. See, like up, down, up, down. Do we make a move all the way back up here to 19,000? There's a node waiting for us right here. And this is where we would go. We would get sucked right into this high volume node in the liquidity zone. You can see we're kind of battling this point of control. We get above it. Boom. We're going to gap through this liquidity on the 4 hour time frame. Easily get up to 19,000. So I could see along here playing out. It's all about this point of control, though. And honestly, we may even break this point of control, come back down here for a triple bottom, bounce off this area. We could even bounce off this area for a bit of a bottom here, because we kind of bottom there too as well. So we could get this pullback on the 1 hour and still get the bigger move on the 4 hour time frame. Only time will tell. I'll be live tonight at 8 p.m. to break it down for Bitcoin in the weekly candle close. I am so dedicated to my craft. I have to travel today. I'm going to pack up this thing, this whole setup. I'm going to drive back home. I'm going to make sure the studio's ready to go. I'm going to keep you up to date in the trading group. I'm going to scan the markets, because it should be like 4 or 5 o'clock. And then later on tonight at 8 o'clock, after I eat some food and try to rest my brain, which never happens, I'll be going over Bitcoin in the weekly candle close. I'll put myself through hell and high water to make sure everyone gets exactly what they want. My back kills me. I have tight back muscles all the time because I'm always sitting. I'm always working to the point of no control. And I take massages. I take as many kind of breaks as I can. But I'm telling you right now, I am here for you. I'm not here for any other purpose. I've dedicated myself to my trading group 110%. and 30, 50, 60,000%. I've given every single thing I have to it, blood, sweat, and tears, and I continue to do so. I hold nothing back when it comes to my trading group. You all are everything to me. Every single thing, each and every one of you. Shout out to Gina Bombino, who makes me smile every single day. Shout out to CNC Ireland, who makes me smile every single day. Shout out to all you beautiful people who always support me. Look at the Blue Crew. Only 2 strong Blue Crew in the game right now. Gina and CNC and David Kendall, and Jamie. Right? Try to be the most consistent man in crypto, baby, every single time, right? It's not easy to be constantly breaking it down. Look, we're giving away the class for $49.99 up there at the top there. Take advantage. Jump into a class. It's every Tuesday from 3 to 5, and it also is the last Saturday of every month. We're also going to be doing a special for the trading group tomorrow, one-time only special. So I'm going to announce that on the live stream. Get ready, get excited. We're going to break it down. Might even announce it at the very late night. Right? Let's see what's hot in the markets today in crypto. Dogecoin, booming. The 3L absolutely exploding, up 47%. Doge 3L, and Doge was trending. And there's talks about Doge getting integrated into Twitter, right? And I had this little flag here for Dogecoin. This thing would continue 30% and just continue to rip. Doge, baby. Doge. So Doge is getting legs, continuing to rip to the upside. Biggest gainer of the day, Flux, up 43%. I talk about Flux making a move to the upside here. I don't know if you remember me making this idea. Flux could break out to the upside. Flux all the way back to 64. What a beautiful move for Flux. And we were waiting for Flux to bounce off the zone. I've been watching Flux on the 3-day chart. 3-day chart suggests that Flux is a beautiful move. And I've been showing this 3-day chart on Flux. Shout out to anyone that jumped into Flux on the 3-day chart. Booming in the cup and handle to the upside. Phantom a go-go, banging on them. Kadena up 18%. Doge back to 10 cents. And we talked about it. Look, we got Doge in this falling wedge, likely to break to the upside. I looked at Doge on the 3-day chart as well. 3-day chart's just getting started for Doge. Says there's a big move coming for Doge. So there's a lot of speculation. There's a lot of fear in the markets. But if we stay in the charts, we're able to find the gains, baby. The gains. Shout out to each and every one of you for being here. May God bless you all. I appreciate it. XNL up 12%. FitFi a little bit. UBX continuing to move up 10%. We're getting movement in the market. Idea, another coin that I like to trade on and off. Getting a move. Let me take a look at Idea here. Had a retracement in the fib. Just went completely flat right now. Has it bottomed there? There's a chance. There's Doge Chain, and I talked about Doge Chain. I had Doge Chain in this movement here, thinking if Doge pushes up, Doge Chain will follow, and it makes serious gains against Doge. Beautiful 20% gains out of Doge Chain. So shout out to anyone that jumped into Doge Chain. I had it pulled here looking at this Fibonacci area. Boom, 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 out of the flag for Doge Chain. Axie Infinity getting a bit of a move. All the coins pumping to the upside. A blast off. Let's take a look at the total market cap in all of cryptocurrency. Are we back above $800 billion? Remember, that's my line in the sand. That's what I want to see. So we drew this flag. Likely this flag would come to the upside, but I said I don't want to see an M pattern. I said I don't want to see this make an M and drop to the downside. Remember that? So we must break back above into this circled region. We must get the move. 1 hour is overbought. Can the 15-minute throw the Hail Mary, baby? Can the 15-minute throw the Hail Mary? Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. You may not know what I mean here. So look, I see this giant possible inverted head and shoulder for the total market cap. This is the market cap for all of cryptocurrency, all right? This tells you the number that we're all at. We're at $797 billion, okay? And top, that is an M pattern. I want to see us break through this zone and get to that bigger measured move. We're forming a bit of a flag here. And this measured move is the length, is the measured move of that inverted head and shoulder and of this bigger symmetrical triangle that I have drawn here too. So look, we're watching this flag on the 15-minute, and it's really crucial we get back above this resistance. You can see it's heavy resistance for the total market cap. We can't get back above this. It is an M pattern, and we could find ourselves back here at $781 billion. So just be careful. We're watching this very, very closely. All right, we're going to look at ES1 tonight, the S&P futures. When it opens up, we're going to start looking at more of the market. But shout out to anyone that may or may not have taken gains. Some massive moves for Doge, Flux, SWP, FTX, and Doge just continues to pump. Doge trending hard. It's Doge and BitBoy. Biggest two things trending on Twitter right now. BitBoy continuing to make a name for himself, continuing to grow. Absolutely insane. Which state have the least and most violent crime to date? Property crime rate, Alabama. Violent crime rate, 436. Interesting. I'd like to know about the crime rate a little bit, statistically. So look, it's all about this flag. I showed you the smaller time frame. It's all about this connection here. This is what we're watching. We get above this point of control. We start to make a move. We could get a move back up to 16,975 and break above this 16,650 area that is holding us down. We get above this high volume node and we fly to the upside. Then you zoom out, right? And you see this is what we're looking at right there. That's the zoomed in section. So I give you the wide version. No other channel really does it the way I do it. I give you the wide version. Then I zoom in and give you the TA inside the zoomed in version, right? So it's like you get the microscope idea of what's happening. We got to break back above that zone. There's really nothing else to talk about. See if the 15-minute can make a move. The 1 hour is looking kind of, indecision. And I don't like where that 22-hour is. So there's a chance we move to the downside here and end up retesting this low area here at 15,400. Or maybe even a bounce. But right now, I do see this shoulder, this head, and this inverted shoulder, this inverted head and shoulder. So I'm open-minded. Anything could happen. I'm going to watch this and keep you up to date as best I can throughout the day. Everybody, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you are already doing the right thing. If you were in my trading group yesterday, you were privy to UBXT, which had the biggest gain in literally 6 months. Up absolutely huge, and actually it held gains of 311% from when we put it out there and actually continued to pump again. I put it in this 618, and there's a chance it could boom. It came down to the 706. Perfect area to accumulate, and it went up again for gains. Understanding Fibonacci, understanding support and resistance, knowing what's going on in the markets with your MACD, with your volume, with stochastics RSI will change the game forever. If you want to jump into class is the cheapest it's ever been. You will not get it any less expensive. Join my 99 trading course. I taught it yesterday. I teach it every single Saturday. No, not every single Saturday. The last Saturday of every month, I teach it. Let me get this up here on the screen. Sorry. But Lifer Vision Trading Course, jump on in today. It's only $49.99. It's 1 day course. You're given a PowerPoint, a checklist, everything you need to survive, and some homework. I'll get you started on your right path to cryptocurrency. You'll never forget this class. You remember the day you took it. I'm telling you right now, it'd be life-changing. People that took it yesterday said the class was life-changing. I'm super passionate about teaching. I love giving you my knowledge, and I'm going to get you where you need to go. I'm going to give you every single thing I have. And if you put in 110%, and if you want it, you're going to get it. I'm telling you right now, you're going to get it. So thank you so much for being here, everyone. I appreciate it. That's the update for Bitcoin. That's everything. Have a good, awesome, chill Sunday, Gina. Everyone, I love you all. Thank you for being here. Shout out to the Blue Crew. Shout out to everybody showing up. And you know what? Have a great Sunday ending this Thanksgiving holiday weekend with your family. If you're traveling, be safe. I'll see you tonight for the weekly candle close. God bless. I love you all. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you on the next one.